swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. Listen the way you touch me. I don't know much about love.
Until you are advised to remove it.
At tuwang-tuwa ang bata kasi last minute napasama siya sa Boracay. Pero nakakatuwa kasi bihira yung mga ganitong moments, yung kami lang magnanay. Medyo matagal na rin nung huli kami nag-Boracay, di na nga matandaan ni ate nung huli niyang punta. Dahil nasa work pa ang mama, ayan kung ano-ano muna pinagagawa niya para matanggal ang init. Finally, nung hapon, papunta na kami niya ng Boracay. First time namin dito sa Station 1 at dito sa Johnny's Hotel kami nagstay. While piniprepare pa nila yung room namin, hinabol namin yung sunset. Dito na rin kami sa resto nila kumain ng dinner kasi medyo pagod na. At pag morning during breakfast, ganyan yung view mo. In fairness, hindi namin in-expect na ganito ka-accessible yung lugar kung saan kami nag-hotel. Ayan, di mo malaman kung nagmumuni-muni siya or inaantok pa. After breakfast, naisipan namin maglakad-lakad ng kaunti. Nadaanan namin tong spot na to in between Station 1 and 2. Ang ganda kasi puro puno, pwede kang magtambay-tambay kasi malilim. Buti din ang pagpunta namin, ang ganda ng weather. Bandang Station 2 na to at ayan, sobrang ganda talaga ng Boracay. Sabi namin lakad konti lang, ayan nakarating na ng D-Mall. At first time ko na-discover, papara ka lang pala ng mga e-trike, 15 pesos lang. At napunta kami dito sa famous walkway ng Boracay. Dahil sa sobrang init, sabi namin sa e-trike, ibaba kami doon sa may famous na Jonas Fruit Shake.
Haggard, no?
Itim po.
Ligong-ligo na.
Nakakatawa kasi across lang to ng hotel namin. Kaya ang ganda talaga ng location.
Pwede na po kami kumain.
Yeah, no.
While nasa work ang mama, yung isa, ayan, nagmuni-muni, nag-discover ng Boracay.
So, ako lang mag-isa. Kasi, sa trabaho si mama. Look at that view.
I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. Listen the way you touch me. I don't know much about love, but I keep on checking my phone to see when you're home or when you want me to pull up. But got me caught in the daze. I love it when you say my name real slow. All my love is yours. I'm swimming in it. Instead I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. I'm swimming in everything. Instead I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. Inside my head. Every time you move, you're looking like you're dancing. I think that you could have it. Everything you do, I wanna do with you. Don't ever wanna miss you.
So, naglalakad-lakad ako kasi wala mo lang gagawin.
Skinny dipping deep inside my head. I'm swimming in everything. Said I'm thinking about jumping in it. Said I got you skinny.
Bago mag-uwian, naglakad-lakad muna kami sa may Station 1 at walking distance lang yung grotto. Dito na din banda yung mga sikat na hotels, pati yung sikat na mga restaurant.
Mami, mukha daw ako malaupo.
Miss mo kami? Ay, na-miss mo kami?
Nabes lang ako minum ha.
Oy, na-miss mo ba kami?
Siyempre.
Parang hindi.
Ay, mo. Hindi abot.
Until next time, Boracay, sana kasama na ulit si Robbie at si Daddy.